Hello everyone, I am Sunny Solomon and welcome to my channel The Creator.
Today in this video we are going to learn few things about number. Now this chapter is being taken from your language book and the chapter number is 6. Now number is basically divided into two parts, that is singular and plural. Now you must be wondering what is singular. When a noun stands for one person, animal or thing, only one person, animal or thing, we say that it is in the singular form. For example, we can say boy or wolf. Now if we talk about our plural, when a noun stands for more than one person, animal or thing, we say that it is in the plural form. For example, boy becomes boys, wolf become wolves. Now we can say that this is in the singular form and this is in the plural form. Likewise, there are many more examples which I'll tell you later. Now before moving ahead, I would like to tell you few things about how to make plural. Now when we make plural, there are certain rules that you have to follow. Got it? So today we are going to talk about those rules only. Now what is rule number 1? Most noun form plural by adding s. This is the rule number 1. You just need to add s in it, and what would happen? The noun will change its form from singular to plural. For example, if we talk about boy, you just need to add s over there, then boy become boys. Got it? Now similarly, if we talk about another example, girl. Girl become girls. You just need to add s. And another example, if we talk about he, you just need to add s over there, then key become keys. Got it? So these were some of the example for rule number 1. Let's talk about rule number 2 quickly. Now what is our rule number 2? Nouns ending in s, nouns ending in s, or you can say x. X is also there, so s, x, then double s, then there is z, then there is CH and SH. So nouns ending in S, X, double S, Z, CH and SH make the plural by adding ES. Just add ES. Only add ES in this and you will see the result straight away. Got it? For example, if we talk about S. For example, if we talk about S, bus. BUS, bus. So this noun is ending with S. So what you need to do? Just add ES. As I told you before, just add ES, then bus will become buses. Now if we talk about X example, fox. Fox, F-O-X, fox. You need to add ES only. Then it will become in the plural form. If we talk about double S, you can take the example of glass. Just add ES, it would become glasses. Likewise, there are many more examples: buzz, buzzes, bench, benches, bush, bushes. So these were some of the example of rule number 2. Now if we talk about rule number 3, in rule number 3, some nouns ending in O. Some nouns ending in O. There are many nouns that ends with O. Some nouns ending in O make the plural by adding ES. So you just need to add ES, then it would change into plural form. For example, potato. Potato. So what you need to do? You just need to add ES in it. What you need to do? You just need to add ES in it. Then it become potatoes. So nouns ending in O. This noun was also ending in O, but we added ES in it. Then it become potatoes. Similarly, there are many examples like echo. You need to add ES again, then it would become echoes. Got it? So these were some of the examples. There, if we talk about one more example, hero. It is also ending with O over here. You can see nouns ending in O. Just make plural by adding ES. Just add ES again, then it would become heroes. Got it? Now if we talk about our next rule, rule number 4. But before moving to rule number 4, I would like to tell you one thing. There are few exceptions in this. Some nouns ending in O only take S. For example, photo, P-H-O-T-O, photo. Now photo all ends with O. Now what you need to do? You need to add S over there. You can't actually add ES. So that is our exception. Likewise, there is one more, logo. You can't add ES in that. So you just need to add S over there. Got it? It would become logos. Now let's see our next rule, rule number 4. Now our rule number 4 is some nouns ending in F. Nouns ending in F. There are few nouns that actually, many nouns in fact, that ends with F. Change the F to V. You just need to change F to V. You just need to change F to V and add ES. And add ES. Then it would become in its plural form. Some of the example are half, HALF, half. What you need to do? You need to remove F, HAL, and put V over there. Then add ES. Then it would become halves. Half, halves. That is the plural form of half. Got it? Another example, wolf, WOLF, wolf. Remove F, put V. Remove F, put V and add ES. It would become wolves. So this was our rule number 4. But there are few exceptions in this also. Some nouns ending in F only take S. For example, chef, CHEF, F is there, so we cannot add VES in that. Got it? You just need to add S over there. If you want one more example, roof. If we talk about roof, 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 just need to put S over there, then it would become roofs in its plural form. Got it? So this was our rule number 4. Let's talk about rule number 5. Now rule number 5, nouns ending in FE. Nouns ending in FE. F and E is also there. Change the FE to V. Change the FE to V and add ES and add ES. Then what would become? It would become in its plural form. Got it? It would become in its plural form. For example, if we talk about wife, remove FE, put V, WIV, then add ES. It would become wives. Wife become wives. Got it? So singular form is wife, WIFE. Plural form is WIVES. Got it? Likewise, one more example. If you take knife, KNIFE, knife. What you need to do? Remove FE, put VES. Then it would become knives. Now let's see rule number 6. Now what is our rule number 6? Nouns ending in Y. Nouns ending in Y. Change the Y to I. Change the Y to I and add, what you need to add? Add ES. ES is there. So then it would be in the plural form. For example, if we talk about penny, Penny, penny. So in this noun, y is at the end. As you can see in the rule, nouns ending in y. So this noun also ends with y. Got it? So what you need to do? Just put pen and I. Remove y, put I and add es. Then it would become pennies. What would become? Pennies. Now this was the example of rule number 6. Likewise, if I give you one more example, spy, 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 you just need to add ies and remove y from the spy. Spy, just remove y, then add ies, spies, it would be spies. But there is one exception over here, that some nouns that have a vowel before u only take s. Got it? So for example, if we talk about monkey, monkey, put, you cannot write monkey as ies, monkies. You cannot do that. What you can do? You can simply say monkeys, monkeys. Only you can put s over there. So these are some of the exception. One more example, holiday. Holiday, when you write holiday, you just need to put s over there. What you need to put? S over there. Then it would become holidays. Got it? So let's see our rule number 7. Now our rule number 7, some nouns do not follow any rules. Got it? There are some nouns that do not follow any rule. You have to keep that in mind. For example, if we talk about man, M-A-N, man. Man is the singular form, M-A-N. So we can't add actually S over there. We can't actually add IES, VES. We can't do anything in that. What you need to do, you just need to change the spelling. M-E-N. Put M-E-N. As simple as that. Got it? Another example, child. What you need to do? You need to write CHILDREN. So these are the nouns that do not follow any rule. Got it? So if I talk about one more example, tooth. Tooth. T-O-O-T-H, tooth. And its plural form is teeth. T-E-E-T-H. Teeth. Got it? So this was our rule number 7. Let's talk about rule number 8. Now rule number 8 is, some nouns are the same in both singular and plural form. Some nouns are same. Some nouns are same in both forms, singular and plural. Singular and plural. Got it? For example, if we take some example like sheep. Sheep is there. So it can be considered in both the cases, singular and plural as well. Singular and plural as well. You cannot add s, you cannot add ies, you cannot add VES. Got it? You can't change the spelling also. So it would remain the same in the plural form also. So sheep becomes sheep again in the plural form. Got it? If we talk about one more example, deer, D-E-E-R, deer, that can be used both in singular and plural as well. Now let's quickly see rule number 9. So rule number 9 is some nouns have a plural form but singular meaning. Some nouns have a plural form but singular meaning. For example, if we talk about, what could be the example of that? News. Although news is written as plural, but it actually means singular. Got it? So news is one example. Another example is athletics. So although S is over there, but it actually means singular. Got it? So this was our rule number 9. Let's see rule number 10. Now what is rule number 10? Some nouns are always plural. Some nouns are always plural. If we talk about some of the example, trousers, jeans. Got it? So you cannot say it for a single or many singular or plural, that you cannot use trousers in singular or plural. It is used in both. Got it? That's the thing. So these were some of the examples. Now that is the end of our video. I hope everyone understood each and everything. Thank you for now.